Hello friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss another questions from complex number. Evaluate complex integration. Evaluate z square plus 3z dz along the circle mod z equals to 2 from 2,0 to 0,2. So friends, before these questions, solution is very simple. Solution is z equals to x plus iy. Z equals to x plus iy. So dz equals to dx plus I dy. I can write? Yes, I can write. And mod z is equal to 2. So root over x square plus y square is equal to 2. And x square plus y square is equal to 4. And whatever put x is equal to 2 cos t and y is equal to 2 sin t, and t varies friends. Whatever t varies 0 to pi by 2. Now case why it is varies 0 to pi by 2, if we put the value in case x 0, then it is x is equal to 2, and when it is pi by 2, then it is 0, and when it is 0, in case if we put in sin 0 means 0 and sin pi by 2 means 2. So this is the total variable. My angle is variable, and dx is equal to, friends, whatever I can get, dx is equal to I get minus 2 sin t. Dx is equal to minus 2 sin t dt, and dy is equal to 2 cos t into dt. Practice is very compulsory for learning. So this question is very easy, but if I will not practice, however my qualifications is PhD, MSc, BSc, but I will forget, because main matter is practice. Math means practice. You have to practice regularly. Maths practice you have to continue. 2 cos t plus I sin t. 2 cos t plus, so z equals to 2 cos t plus I sin t. This is my, and I can write it 2 into e to the power it. 2 into e to the power it. And now, and dz I can write 2 into minus 2 sin t plus 2 cos t into dt, and I can write it 2 into e to the power I pi by 2 plus t. You can write this way. Another way is you can write, if I will put in here also 2 sin t plus, okay, 1 minute, it is the value is dx plus I dy. So I dy means this is the I in here, so that's why I can write this way. If I will put cos t means cos pi by 2 plus t means minus sin t, and sin pi by 2 plus t means cos t. That's why it is because e to the power it means according to the de Moivre's theorem, e to the power it means cos t plus I sin t. So friends, very simple. Now I will go another way. Number C, z square plus 3z into dz is equal to 0 to pi by 2 my angle, and 2 into e to the power it whole square, 2 into e to the power it whole square, because z means 2 into e to the power it, plus 3 into 2 into e to the power it, and dz means whatever I get, dz means e to the power I into pi by 2 plus t into dt. I will move this way. So this is the 2 into 0 to pi by 2 into 4 into e to the power 2it plus 6 into e to the power it into e to the power I into pi by 2 plus t into dt. Simple. Now I shall go and I will multiply this, and whatever I get, integrating it is 8, 4 into 2 8, and e to the power 2i t means it is 3it plus I pi by 2, and this is divided by 3i, simple, and it is 0 to pi by 2. This is 0 to pi by 2, and again whatever I get, 12 into e to the power I t means e to the power 2it plus I into pi by 2 divided by 2i, and putting the value is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and my calculation is, it is 8 by 3i, and if I put in here pi by 2, then whatever I get if I will put in here pi by 2, I pi by 2 means e to the power 2 pi I, e to the power 2 pi I, and if I put in 0, then I get e to the power pi by 2, I pi by 2, and plus 12 divided by 2i. If I put in here pi by 2, then whatever I get, 2 pi means 3 pi by 2, simple, e to the power 3 pi I divided by 2, and if I put in here 0, so I can get e to the power I pi by 2 divided by 2i. So total whatever I get, 8 divided by 3i e to the power 2 pi I means cos t plus I sin t. I sin t means cos t, cos 2 pi means what is the value of the cos 2 pi, and sin 2 pi. Cos 2 pi means 1, so my value is 1, not, it is not pi, and another is minus I. Another value is I, and next value is 12 divided by means 6 divided by I, and cos 3 pi by t, cos 3 pi by t means, cos 3 pi by t means 0, I think, yeah, cos 3 pi by t means 0, 3 pi by 2 is 0, yes, and sin 3 pi by 2 means minus I, so it is minus I, and I pi by 2 means cos pi by 2 means 0, I sin pi by 2 means minus I, this is the minus I, and thus the total value is 8 divided by 3i into 1 minus I, and this value and this value will cut. I can get 6 divided by it is 2i, so 12i, 12 divided by I, because minus I 12, also 12, so whatever I get minus 8 divided by 3i, and minus, not minus, minus 8 not minus 8 divided by 3i, not 8 divided by 3i, and minus 8i divided by 3i minus 12, and it is not minus cut, will be cut, and so it will be 8 divided by 3i, and it is 8 divided by 3i, and minus 44 divided by 3. My answer is this.